To convert video to audio MP3 on Windows 11. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you convert video to audio MP3 on Windows using VLC. Now to do this you wanna actually come to the search engine and type in Microsoft Store. When you do it, so on the search box type in VLC Media Player and you wanna install this app. After it is completely installed, then what you need to do is double click on it so that it opens up, and it's gonna then go ahead. So you simply want to click on the media option. Then here what you want to do is you click on convert/save. After you've actually done it, so you want to go ahead and browse the file. So click on add and it's going to open up the file explorer. So here you have to go ahead and locate the video. This is the one. I'm gonna go with this, and as you've done it, so what next you want to do is here you want to click on it and you want to click on convert. So after which you simply want to click on convert, and once you have actually done it, so then over here what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and select any of these audio file. So I'm going to go with MP4 and select the destination. So for that, click on the browse button and where you actually want to save it. So let's consider this is the one, and when you've already selected the folder, then what next you want to do is you simply want to click on the name, and here you want to go ahead and make sure to type in MP3. Once you've actually done it, so click on save, and you've successfully done it, so click on start, and the procedure is completed. Now then you go ahead and open up your file explorer and you could see your converted file. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.